If you are seeing the installation cannot continue error in GeForce, this video will show you exactly how to fix it quickly and get your drivers working again. Let's get started. First up, let's update your drivers. So click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Launch it. In the list, expand Display Adapters. Find your graphics card. I have two. You can update both. Right-click your graphics card, click on Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers, select the driver that you want to update and click on Next. With that, the driver will be updated. Clean up NVIDIA files and reinstall driver. Open Files Explorer. Navigate to your C drive. Now head over to the option Program Data. Under this, you're gonna find the option NVIDIA Corporation. Then Downloader, you'll see one or more folders with random numbers and letters. Open one. Inside you should see a file matching your current GeForce driver version. To check that, open GeForce Experience. Click Drivers and look at the version number next to Game Ready driver. Double-click that file to manually launch the installer. Follow the prompts, let it finish installing, and that's it. Your driver should be fresh and the installation cannot continue or it should be gone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.